everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I will show you how I did these nails with marble design using all Madam Glam gel polishes. So I've already prepped my nails here and now I'm applying a base coat to all of my nails and curing it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. If you have any product on the cuticles or on the sides, just make sure to clean up before you cure under the lamp. Otherwise it will get stuck there and it will be hard to remove later on. So the first color I'm applying here is called Daydream, which is from Academy collection from Madam Glam. And this is my first coat, which I'm gonna apply on the index finger, on the pinky and on my thumb, and curing it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. The next color I'm using here is MI Clear. It's also from Academy collection from Madam Glam. It's a really pretty silver iridescent glitters, and this is my first coat and I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. On my middle finger I'm applying Perfect White from Madam Glam and curing it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Also making sure to clean any excess polish on the skin or the cuticles before curing under the lamp. Now I'm applying a second coat of each color on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Here I'm cleaning the sticky layer of white gel polish with rubbing alcohol and lint-free wipe before we start the marble design. Here I'm using marble ink in black from Madam Glam and applying it on the white nail just like so. I'm going for a crack marble design, so whenever I'm happy I'm gonna stop there. Now I've got a flat brush which is dipped into acetone, and here I'm dispersing the black ink to make it more soft and not so harsh. I'm also wiping the brush on a paper towel so the acetone is not coming a lot on the nail. So here I'm just dispersing the black lines and until I'm happy with the marble design. So now I've got MI Clear gel polish and I want the very light glitter on the marble design, so I'm using a fine brush and curing it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So here's the close-up look guys, and I'm really happy with the marble design with a little bit of glitters on it. It turned out really well. Now finally I'm applying a top coat to all of my nails and curing it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Finishing off my nails with some cuticle oil so they look moisturized and presentable. Here I'm wiping the nail with some rubbing alcohol so that the oil doesn't sit on my gel polish. So yeah guys, that's all for the video, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this nail look, and all the products that I've mentioned are in the description box below, and also my coupon code for Madam Glam, so do check it out. If you enjoyed watching the video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.